This tree was down. This tree wasn't. Look all them trees knocked down.
Yep, probably due to all the snow or something.
Holy crap!
Or the wind.
Those are big trees too.
It smells like green cheese.
That scared me. I thought it was an animal.
There's a fish dot.
Yeah. They're all over. Good boy, Spotter. You tell them intruders that this is your land.
I've been digging those freaking stones.
No, you and my dad did that. I didn't do it. Remember, I stayed inside.
Yeah, I remember. Digging those stupid things. Heck of an exercise. Hey, look, I walked through it. Right, the old one didn't break and snap.
Keep going.
Where's
What
Spotter?
old one? Spotter, come on. Yeah. You mean this whole tree?
Yeah.
Probably because of the roots, because they're so deep.
What you doing, Spotter?
Dude, look at his mouth.
Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Alright.
Did one winter do all this?
Heck yeah, probably because it was windy and whatnot. Maybe one of the storms we had. Remember, if it snowed that much in one day. King of the mountain. With a twig on his booty. He's dragging it. He's cutting some tree branches or something.